just randomly shoving my phone in your face.
I heard you liked Invasion of Privacy. Yeah, sorry mate, I'm just literally in a world of my own at the minute. So yeah, stage 2, 7.5 R, so it's an OPF car.
Yep.
Customer has fitted all the parts himself, so it's just basically coming to us just for the ECU and TCU software. As far as I'm aware, it's just the standard kit that we recommend for a stage 2 car. It's got the Wagner intercooler on it, Scorpion decat downpipe paired to the Scorpion resonated rear section with the optional carbon trims for the tips, which look quite nice to be fair. So we've just literally finished flashing it, just going to drive on the road, make sure everything's sweet before it goes on the dyno.
Sweet as. Sick.
Yeah, we'll just do the normal stuff. We'll get logs of obviously timing pull, because we don't want to see any of that. This car is on 99 run, so with it being an OPF car, it should be around the 410 plus mark.
Sweet.
Obviously we should be about 1.9ish bar down to 1.4.
Perfect.
And obviously that's why we log it, just to make sure that it is doing that. If it's not, we need to know why. Really drony this, isn't it?
It is very drony. Sounds lower in terms of frequency than my car does, and that's like...
That's because your car's exhaust made up of drain pipe.
Can't argue with that.
And people ask, what exhaust on that? I'm like, it's just tube. It's just tube. There's no silencers in it, no wizardry, it's just pipe.
Accurate.
Yeah. What is that?
Oh, that's an ugly car. Not a fan.
Who? What?
Who thought that's it? Yeah. Good idea.
Someone designed that, stood back and went, yes.
Yeah.
That's what I had in mind. When you're ready, just press start, mate, and then...
Sweet, starting.
Flat.
Some guy cut in front of us.
Yeah, no worries,
like,
mate. Just
literally right at the last second.
Oh, that Golf looks like it's coming fast.
Yeah.
See ya!
Some people.
It's a problem. You just got to be cautious, because at the end of the day, we are just trying to replicate what the customer's going to potentially do. I mean, you'd be living in a dream world if people come to us for tuning and just drove their car
in eco all the
time and just didn't bother putting it in manual or sport and just wanted the extra horsepower just so they could go to the pub and go, well, my car's got 420 horsepower.
Yeah.
So it's hard, but it's kind of one of them. Like, obviously, we've got the dyno, but the dyno is just a representation of the road. There's no better way to get an accurate... everyone's doing it today. Sweet. There's no better way to get accurate logs of what the vehicle's actually doing than just putting it on the road and putting it in a real-time situation. Let's press resume, mate.
Sweet.
And to be fair, from what I saw on that, it looked really clean. So obviously we'll go back, find out what the logs are saying. It felt really fast. Didn't feel like it was holding back or pulling any time in, so should be all good to go after that.